This 2025 East to West Entrada 3100 FB is a Class C RV. It is located in Raleigh, North Carolina 27610 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Raleigh. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, Slideout, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab, Bunkhouse, rear bedroom. This 2025 East to West Entrada 3100 FB is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.